There are many positives about globalization, but there are also, it's important to make sure that we think locally and nationally as well. And it's really a discussion around balance and coordination. And I think that the challenge right now is we're seeing the rise of technologies rethinking on finance, your own finance background. Just to take a topic like the cryptocurrencies that have captured the imagination of so many around the world, and how that really challenges traditional banking systems. How do you see us finding our way through this moment where I'd say, see a lot of pseudo disintermediation, pseudo challenges to come to some type of a equilibrium or a new balance, so to speak?
So the world is going to be in a bit of a let's call it it's going to have its learning curve, and whatever we knew as standards before, like for instance, you just went to the bank and exchanged currency, or you basically got money in the local currency of where you're visiting. What is that local currency going to be? It could be cryptocurrency, but more importantly, what could be interesting is, especially if you're a business person, can you actually exchange money? That's become the question, right? So now it's very easy to just exchange the money. Or if you invest in a foreign country or foreign corporation, it's fairly easy to take the money out, whether you win more money or you lose more money. That may not be the case coming in the future. So there are a lot of different angles to watch out for. So that's the financial integration bit. And
Yeah.
transportation we talked about, supply chain we talked about, but the one that's getting the most attention right now is information.
What are the key topics there on the information front?
So on the technology front, for many years we actually had the telephone, right? So you could make international calls. That was easy. It was taxed heavily in the past. So before the internet, it was costing basically a big chunk of money. A telephone line, it could have been costing thousands of dollars. Now it's virtually free. But what's happening to like the data that we exchange?